sunshine.
Yes, Lord.
He never said that there'd be no rain. He only promised a heart full of cheer.
Yes, Lord.
That's what happens to me about those very things that once brought you pain. Give